Let's look at some prominent use cases for secure OT access. The first group includes operators of manufacturing plants and essential infrastructure. Here, the first use case is third-party maintenance access to power plant subsystems. RDP connections are made to application gateways inside the plant DMZs in a just-in-time, just-enough access manner. All connections are recorded, and audit events are exported to a SIM system. The second use case is a role-based OT network access for a multinational fiber manufacturer. Here, a range of connection protocols are required, including RDP, web access, and VNC. Local and third-party identities are synced from Active Directories, and access to specific sites and targets is granted based on the user's role. The second use case group consists of automation and IoT system vendors. In this first example, a provider of maritime engine diagnostics requires a secured access from an IoT cloud to cargo vessels deployed globally. The OT access solution provides tracking of user identities and records all access sessions, thus providing transparency into the critical operations. The next one is a use case where secure engineering access is needed for globally distributed harbor infrastructure. RDP and web access connections are made to on-target remote terminals running PLC systems. The OT access solution is used to ensure that access is restricted to individuals with appropriate credentials and relevant status. The final use case group I want to address is device and sensor access and data collection. Here, we have a use case for intelligent household device service access, where the OT access solution automates the credential management for service engineers. Critically, no shared credentials or secrets are needed by the service personnel for authentication. The final use case I would like to mention is secure data transfers and IIoT sensor access for production environments. In this site-to-cloud use case, so-called PrivX extenders can be used to provide connectivity into secured plant-side networks from the cloud environment. What then makes us unique and different for OT and IIoT? It is well known that various point solutions exist for remote OT access. However, most are limited and complex to maintain. For one, remote access solutions are widely used, but not enough by themselves. Likewise, firewalls and VPNs, while useful, fail to provide enough granularity into the identities and privileges of individual users. Network and traffic monitoring are useful tools for analyzing and controlling the OT target environment, but they rarely offer features to enable just-in-time zero-trust access. And traditional privileged access management systems are designed for IT admins, not OT use cases. We at SSH.com offer a full stack of layered security, tunneling, and access management solutions. PrivX OT Edition offers just enough access to get the job done with role-based access control and approval workflow. Workflows and approvals built into the solution for requesting and granting role permission. Auditing and session recording, offering full transparency into the sessions, even for shared target accounts. PrivX also enables users to access resources just in time by implementing the never trust, always verify approach. Finally, PrivX supports the gradual transition into ephemeral certificates, thus providing a modern alternative for passwords-based authentication.